so we're going to be unboxing this new hard drive for the PS4. Let's open this bad boy.
Sweet.
Let's check this thing out. That is cool. Okay, so we got this nice hard drive for the PS4. It's made by Wavelength. It's pretty nut. What is that? Look at that. Let me see the cable. Wait, what is this cable? What did they do to this? I'm pretty sure these people broke this. Okay. Okay, we got the awesome LED light strips. Has over 16 million colors. And my favorite feature, the LED dancing, also known as LED light sync. Basically syncs with your music. Microphone mode, that's going to be very, very useful. Let's look at this. Okay, sweet. You have memory function, also going to be useful. Music, like I told you. Oh, look at those pictures. That looks nice. Okay, let's open this thing up. Gosh, look at this remote. That looks nice. Okay, so you got the amazing remote. Cord and stuff. And then we don't have this. You have the two 50-foot LED light strips. Comes with them. Look at this webcam. Sweet, looks legit. Let's hope this works. Got the lens. Looks pretty nice. Okay. This tripod looks pretty legit. Wow, that's nice. Okay, we're going to be looking at this webcam right here. Kinda looks like an octopus here and kinda looks like a chair here. Let's test it out. Well, that's awkward. Okay, that's all fixed. Just ignore it. Act like it never happened. Okay, look at that. Baby Yoda loves the chair. Okay, sweet. Love the camera. Let's get rid of Baby Yoda for a second. Okay. Okay guys, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the mouse and the keyboard. We got the black ones here. On the back you can see that all the codes are there. You know what? Let's just frick this. Open it. Sweet. Wait a second, it comes with a mouse pad? This wasn't in the description. Okay, so we got the surprise mouse pad here. Sweet galaxy pattern on the front. Ooh, very nice material. I just want to keep feeling this. Is that weird? You know, I should probably stop. Okay, very grippy, very grippy. Got the nice rubber bottom. Like I said, galaxy pattern on the front. Okay, let's bring out the mouse. Sweet mouse. Smooth as butter. This is nice. Very easy to click, nice roller, very easy. DPI button, and then you get the forward and the backward buttons for when you're just going all out. It's got the LED design, which we will show you later on in the video at the end with the keyboard, which is coming up next. Okay, so we have the sweet keyboard here, very, very nice. It's LED, like I said before. Let's check the bottom. Got the kickstands to make sure that you're gaming at your best. Okay, pretty sweet. Let's flip this around, give you a sound check real quick. Smooth, very smooth keys. Okay, we got the amazing LED rainbow keyboard. As you can see, you have the mouse changing between all the color settings. Okay, let's turn the lights off, see how it looks in the dark. Oh my gosh, this looks awesome. If you want a very good gaming setup, just really cool. I recommend these. And don't forget, watch till the end of the video. We're going to show a before and after of the LED lights.